Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Um, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 top sites in the world that can pay you for watching videos on your sites. For watching videos on your sites, you get paid cool cash. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. So the first site we are going to look at is superpay.me. Yeah, superpay.me is one of the top sites that pays you for watching videos. You can earn with this site anywhere in the world. So this is worldwide, whether you're in Afghanistan, Nigeria, you can earn from this site. Yeah, you get rewarded for completing surveys, online offers, and then you redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill, and you can get paid that same day. Now you watch videos, you take part in trials, surveys to earn points. Okay, they have paid over $3 million to their members, so it's real, it's legit. They are paying, so you can go sign up, and when you sign up you get $0.20 when you sign up. Now the next site we're going to look at is TV2. It's another site that pays for watching YouTube videos. Imagine watching YouTube videos and getting paid for watching it. This is how the site looks like. You can download it as an app using Samsung, LG, Android, iOS. Yes, watch videos. You can lean back and enjoy your favorite content from thousands of creators. You earn crypto, you collect your rewards and receive cryptocurrency payouts. Okay, and you download the TV2. As I said, if you have your Android, you just go to Google Play Store, you download TV2, and then you can also link it up with your TV app. This for those who want to link with your TV app. Okay, say you earn Ethereum tokens for every second you watch. So that's how you earn. You earn with you earn TTV Ethereum tokens for every second you watch. Now the rating is very high on Google Play Store. It has a 4.7 ratings from 98. It had from reviews of from 98,579 people worldwide have reviewed this site, and it has a very high rating of 4.7. Okay, so the next site we're going to look at is GetPaid2. GetPaid2 is another site that pays people for watching videos. As you can see on the screen, it says it is available for all countries. It is worldwide. You earn money every time you go online by playing games, watching videos, completing surveys, and many more. So this site is worldwide. Wherever you find yourself, you can make money by watching videos. Now this is an example. Like Engage Hits, get paid to watch videos. In this tax you get paid to watch specific YouTube videos. The videos are great. You watch videos what you like, and then you get paid for it. Doesn't that sound cool? Alright, the next site is Coinbase. Coinbase is another site that pays people for watching videos on their site, and they pay you. You start a course, you learn about it. For instance, Orchid, you learn about it, and then you get paid for watching the video. The duration is 3 minutes, so it's really cool. The next one is Bitcoin app. This is a new app. I've not really tried this out, but it has a very high rating on Google Play Store, 4.6 rating on Google Play Store. As you can see, the ratings and the reviews. So you can go try this out. As you can see from the dashboard, you can watch a video. You can also download applications to gain points. And before you start this, you must have a Bitcoin wallet. So guys can try it out. It works in so many countries. Check if it's working in your location, and start earning. Try it out and check if it works in your location and start earning. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification.